Hey, this is Job Coach Kathy. Our strategic plan today covers job motivation. Let's go to work. Reasons you are here. Your starting point. You have a job, but you need a new one. You don't have a job, but you need help to find a new one. Or you want to move up in your current workplace and you need help updating your materials. Or you simply have nothing better to do today, so here you are. It honestly doesn't matter the reason why you're here. Help is on the way. Job motivation boils down to this. You can't start a fire using wet wood. Set the goal and don't be wet wood. So if you're stuck, maybe it's time for a new job, a new field, a new career, a new direction, or maybe even more education. So from here on out, I want you to think outside the box. I want you to start thinking about new opportunities, new areas that you'd like to explore. We are not being wet wood. So here's your action item. I want you to pick a job type like private, federal, state, county, city, and start exploring the possibilities at their website, on their Facebook page, and look for things like what are they paying for their salary, their benefits, where are they located, to meet the criteria that you are beginning to set for your new job. Please check out my other YouTube videos by Job Coach Kathy and look for other faves once a week.